little chefs. What's up, Keto Nation? Hella Keto. That's gonna be my new slogan, you guys. Hello Keto, hella Keto. What's poppin', you guys? I'm so excited that you have tuned into my channel. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking. Just wanted to let you guys know, if you can do me a favor and subscribe to my channel, that does your girl's heart so good. And also comment down below. Let me know what you want to see these hands do. Let me know what you want me to do in the kitchen. It's for you. This is about you. I am here for you. So do that for me. And then also you can put a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So enough of this, let's get into it.
All right, you guys, let's make our ricotta cream. Take some ricotta cheese, dump that into your bowl, then grab some mozzarella cheese, add that to the mix. I got some seasoning, garlic pepper, salt, 21 seasoning that I got from Trader Joe's, basil and oregano. Dump that into the pan, add an egg, just to kind of bind things together. And we're gonna combine that and mix that until it looks like this. So we're gonna get started on our meat sauce. I'm gonna take some avocado oil, add it to my pot, just because I am using ground turkey today, just to help it out a little bit as far as the fat. So I have ground turkey, I have an Italian turkey, I have spicy mild sausage that I'm gonna add all together. So once that's all cooked, you want to drain off the juices and add your seasoning. I have a spaghetti seasoning that I like to use, basil, oregano, garlic powder. So you can throw that all together. Then this is my favorite keto marinara sauce. We're going to use that today. And then I also have some diced tomatoes that I'm going to throw in there. Give that a mix. And then add in your marinara sauce. And because I had some extra zucchini, I just grated up and added into the sauce. Just some extra veggies to throw in there. We're already using zucchini noodles, so it's not gonna hurt you to add in a little more into your meat sauce. And you won't even notice that it's there. So you guys, let's put this together. I went ahead and put some of the sauce on the bottom of the pan. I'm showing you guys how I got these cool little zucchini noodles. I use my handy dandy vegetable peeler to get them nice and thin. That's how I like them. And I go ahead and make a layer of those. Be sure to use some seasoning on your zucchini noodles. These are vegetable, so you want to make sure that they are nice and seasoned. I did use the 21 seasoning to add in some extra flavor. We're going to take our meat sauce and begin to build our layers. And you take your ricotta cheese and just add it, little dollops throughout, doesn't matter how you put it. Question, do you guys use ricotta cheese and cottage cheese or just cottage cheese? I'm curious. That's me sprinkling on the mozzarella. So obviously I continue to just make layers. So this is, we got to the top and I finished it with some mozzarella cheese and a sprinkle of oregano just for presentation purposes. You're gonna place it in a 350-degree oven and it should come out in 20 minutes looking just like this. One of my favorite meals, you guys. I really do hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.